Wind Energy by Ben Barashko, Evan Chichek, Raul Dalvi, and Winston Wong.
To understand the complexities of wind energy, we first need to understand how it works. Wind energy uses wind, the movement of air caused by uneven heating of the earth as it rotates. Thus, this is a renewable source of energy as a free, naturally available, unlimited resource.
Wind energy is gathered using a wind turbine, a device that converts the wind's kinetic energy into electrical energy. Wind turbines are usually composed of a tall tower with 3 spinnable blades facing the wind. When there is wind, the blades spin because the differences in air pressure create lift on one side of the blades that outweighs the drag. The blades spinning trigger energy production by being connected to a generator, either directly or through a series of gears, thus turning the kinetic energy of the blades into electrical energy. Multiple wind turbines are usually combined in one location to form large wind farms.
Future technologies/innovations. Vineyard Wind 1 is an offshore wind farm planned off the shore of Massachusetts. This project is estimated to produce 800 megawatts of power and generate enough electricity to power over 400,000 homes. The project will also employ 3,600 local workers, helping the local community. Vineyard Wind 1 is currently the largest wind farm being developed in the U.S. and a part of a new trend to construct great wind farm projects offshore. The physical construction of wind turbines continues to improve. Today's wind turbines have taller towers and larger blades than past designs, generating more power and providing more energy for communities. In addition, more and more construction of wind turbines is taking place on site. Besides providing energy, recycling of wind turbines is also improving. When wind turbines expire, the materials that are made of are often hard to dispose. But in December 2020, an agreement was made for old turbines to be used as a replacement for coal, sand, and clay at cement manufacturing facilities across the U.S. This explains why wind turbines will be so vital towards energy production in the future.
Wind energy impacts the engineering grand challenge of restore and improve urban infrastructure. Wind turbines are extremely large and physically imposing. As a result, careful planning needs to be done to ensure improvements of infrastructure. This can be done by improving selection sites by the aforementioned methods of making offshore wind farms and by transporting materials more effectively. Improvement of wind farms will improve infrastructure and by supporting entire communities and cities on wind energy.
Wind energy impacts the United Nations sustainability goal of affordable land and clean energy. Wind energy is an extremely cost-effective energy source, costing 1 to 2 cents per kilowatt hour after the production tax credit, almost 300% cheaper than natural gas costs. Besides being cheap, it's also clean. It does not pollute the air like combustion of fossil fuels does, and does not produce emissions which cause acid rain, smog, or production of greenhouse gases. Energy has been and will continue to be a vital source of energy for the well-being of the earth. Next time you see a wind turbine or wind farm, make sure to recognize the positive impact they are making on our world. Who knew something as simple as wind would be such a benefit for our society?